The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Dancehall Killer there. Big up and respect to each and every one, you see it? Now, right about now, me have 3 videos me I go present to you. And you see them 3 videos here, I go show off 3 persons. And these 3 persons, they are apologizing to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. You see it? So obviously, these videos is about these 3 persons that had, make some videos. These videos went on social media, and each of these videos, in these videos, they disrespected the Prime Minister of Jamaica. So may I say, yeah, according to how I understand the videos and according to what has been said on social media. But anyways, apology had been sent to the Jamaica Constabulary Force and to the public as well. You see me? But to my understanding, not all of the videos really and truly did do the apology to the public and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. But however, overall, these persons basically apologize to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you see me? Which seems to be the main point right about now with these videos where I'm going to show you my viewers and subscribers. You see me? 3 of them. But anyways, I'm going to start off with the first one right about now. Is when I say viewers and subscribers, so take a look, listen and observe.
What's going on, people? Back again. Last night I put out a video on my Facebook page and I know it gone viral and people in Jamaica take it serious, especially the government and the police constabulary force. And I just want to let everybody know it was just all a joke. It was nothing serious. I get the video on my phone last night and I just jump out my car and I just out of the heat at the moment. I just made that video and I send it out. As you know, always on YouTube and Twitter, all these pages talking about stuff, blogging about stuff. But just want to let everybody know, just keep calm. I didn't mean anything by it. It was purely a joke. I was just mimicking what happened to the guys them in I think it was Ola Bar, Spanish Town. I'm not even quite sure. I know I just realized that this video gone viral and people taking it serious and stuff like that. So just to let Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Constabulary Force know that I didn't mean anything by it and it was pure joke. Like I said, I always blogging and stuff on the social media, and I hope everybody just listen to what the Prime Minister says. Stay indoors because this coronavirus is really serious. Now I'm in England and people are dying left, right and center. Our death toll gone up over 500 people dying a day. So this coronavirus really serious, and sorry for coming out and just making fun of it, but I know how really serious this is. So I just want everybody to stay indoors, follow what the Prime Minister say and just keep her calm. I didn't mean anything by it, and like I said, Andrew Holness, Jamaica Constabulary Force, I have my sincere apology for the swearing that I was swearing and calling your name, but like I said, it was pure joke I was doing it for. So I hope everybody can just forget about this one and we just can move on and concentrate on dealing with the coronavirus. So sorry about that. Thank you. Bye.
Alright, so you see that are the first one, the viewers and subscribers, you see me? And the first time I see that one day, me kind of suspect say that person, when that person do that video, that person is not even in the country of Jamaica, you see me? And then, we do some research and it turns out that I find a news report where said that this person is not in the country of Jamaica. So I say, so it come like my suspicion was correct. So I say, but anyways, viewers and subscribers, I'm gonna move on to the next video right about now. You see it? And the next video, is about a person that had been arrested. And this person had been arrested on the first night of the All Island curfew. That All Island curfew had started on the 1st of April 2020 at 8 p.m. And that person went on social media and said some things, you see me? And then eventually it seems as if the police them tracked down that person and just arrested that person. You see me? I said to you, who knows what really happened, but that person really and truly had been arrested. And that person had said some things, you see me? Well, anyways, here is the same person now that I'm just talking about. Here is the person making an apology to the Prime Minister and so on. Alright, so take a look, listen and observe.
Yes, good evening Jamaica. My name is Demetrio. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and apply by the rules and regulations said by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to tell you the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very seriously. I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing off people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already. I tell you, they must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it. And again, I am very sorry and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF and the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the other video. Now, I'm going to move on to the final video now, viewers and subscribers, you see. And you see this video now, this video shows of a person where, is basically apologizing to the Prime Minister. But here we go on now. You see this person now, I saw this person in a video, and I saw that video, and me not tell a lie, that video, that person in the video was just basically just saying certain things. So I said to you, and when I see the video, I said to myself, I just one of them video there, because all social media go, you can't take a lot of things that have been said on social media serious. You see me, as some me look on it. You see me, I say, yes, so no matter what a person say on social media, no for a time I just say, and just bypass that and just move on. You see me, I say, yeah, some of the things them entertaining, But anyways, this person said some things in our video. You see me? Yeah, this person said some things in our video, and me just gonna present this video now that this person do as an apology towards the Prime Minister of Jamaica, and this person said some more things. So may I say to you, so take a look, listen, and observe.
Pleasant good day to the world and to my fellow Jamaicans. A video went viral with me the other day, and I apologize to the Prime Minister of Jamaica on the behalf of that video. It shouldn't have went viral. And we were just at a party, having some fun, but I was overdosed with the alcohol. So that was the reason. And I didn't deliberately post that video. So all of who is calling me a wanted man and this and that, I ain't wanted. Alright, so I'm just trying to let the world know that I'm not wanted, and I'm just trying to apologize to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness, on the behalf of this video. You have been doing good in the country, man, and I'm gonna give you a thumbs up for that. Alright, so God is good.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. All of the videos them were shows of these persons apologizing to the Prime Minister of Jamaica and so on. So may I say, and more have to say respect to each and every one of them, because listen to me, it take a real big man to admit when you're wrong. You understand what me I say to you? When you're wrong, for a man come forward and say, yo, me sorry, me wrong and so forth. I mean, trust me, it's not easy for some people to do them things there. So may I say to you, and for see certain people or anybody at all do these things, you have to just give them props for that, because guess what? Them never must apologize. Yes, what I say? Yeah, I just saw life go. So big up and respect to each and every one of these persons. Yes, what I say to you, and big up to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness. Yes, me, and big up to the Jamaica Constabulary Force as well. As I say, and big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. I don't know me dancer skiller. Me only there so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I go on. You see it? So until the next time, you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancer Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancer Skiller. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skiller. You are watching Dancer Skiller Entertainment.